Alright, so we got both of the seats in now. All the carpet's been in it since yesterday, but we got the passenger seat bolted in and the harness bolted in today. Look at that. Doesn't that look good? Let's take a look on the inside. Here you go. I don't want to sit in there with snow on my boots. Yeah, we're not going to sit in there. But I think black and gray looks better than what I had in here before. Before it was black and red. Yeah. It's got some wrinkles in it, like, I'm thinking with some time, the heat, and with it sitting in here for a little bit, it'll probably get better. Maybe not all the way gone, but it's fine. It's not a show car. Close to it, but it's not one. I just love the wheels and the tires. Look how wide. And I don't know if you can tell it yet. You can. See that flake in it? If I cleaned it, it'd probably show up better. But it's real dusty. Man, that looks sharp. Well, all we gotta do now is put the tail lights on. I got the headlights in, I just gotta wire them back up. And then we gotta wait for our one-piece windows and a header. That's all we have left. So, yeah, it's gonna be on the road here shortly as soon as these parts come in. Everything's on back order. So anyway, stay tuned for the next one.